Hello Minglaba and welcome back folks. One of the most versatile plants that grows in Burma is bamboo. It's used for making furniture, building houses, for irrigating fields and even for scaffolding. The young shoots of the plant can be eaten, which is what we're going to do today, as we'll be using it as an ingredient in this Burmese pork and bamboo shoot curry. So, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. For this recipe, we're going to be using a lean cut of pork. About 2 pounds is enough for 4 people. Cut the pork into bite-sized pieces, about 1.5 inches long. Place the cubed pork into a mixing bowl and add in the flavouring. The flavourings are 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Give it a good mix using your hands or, if you prefer, a spoon, and leave it to stand for 20 minutes while we prepare the onions. Peel 2 cloves of garlic and add these into a blender. Into the same blender, also add in 1 peeled onion. Add a little water into the blender and blend to a smooth paste. Next, heat up 4 tablespoons of oil in a large pan and add in the minced onions and garlic. Fry the onions until they become a light brown colour. This normally takes about 10 minutes. However, my onions turned bright green when I cooked them. Leave your comments below if you know why. The only thing I'm doing different is using this enamel coated cast iron pot. Then add in the marinated pork into the pan and stir the pork until it has turned brown. When the meat has turned brown, add in 500 milliliters of water. Bring the heat up to a low boil and let it simmer away for 1.5 hours with the lid off. After 1.5 hours, most of the liquid should have evaporated away and you'll be left with a thick gravy sauce. Add in 150 grams of drained bamboo shoots. Mix these in and continue cooking for a further 15 minutes with the lid on. The pork and bamboo shoot curry is now ready and is best served with freshly steamed rice. Thanks for watching folks. Let me know if you want to see more Burmese recipes and see you next time.